Now let us see the materials needed for repotting of this American agave. Cinder, growth crystals, single superphosphate, neem, horn meal, bone meal, seaweed granules, Epsom salt, vermicompost, cocoa chips, coarse grade river sand, a slightly bigger sized pot with having ample drain holes. The agave has been removed from its pot, and this is how it looks. It's a bit heavy. And this is the pot from which it was removed. Its roots have been freed up because they were all entangled, and the pups which were blocking the drain holes were also removed. We will see whether it can be repotted in another pot. And also you can use clay boils for better drainage in the soil mix. Now we have covered the drain holes with broken terracotta pots so that the drain holes don't get blocked. Now the bottom layer has been filled with clay balls. This is how the soil mix looks after adding all the materials or ingredients in it. Now let us fill the pot and place the plant in it. The plant has been potted in the new pot, and this is how it finally looks. Now we shall give him, we will water it along with fungicide so that it doesn't catch any fungal infection. Now you can see the water coming out from the drain holes. More updates later.